Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with BrandedBoss.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over my One Funnel Away Challenge review. So stay right there. All right, so let's jump into this. If this is your first time on the channel, here at Branded Boss, we like to talk about all things make money online, and that includes doing videos just like this. So if that's the type of content you like, please hit that subscribe button. And at any point, if you happen to enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so let's jump into this. All right, so you're in a position now, you're thinking about joining the One Funnel Away Challenge. Maybe you are an entrepreneur or you're just starting out into business and you want to go ahead and get some training on, to get things started off correctly. So what I want to do in this video is actually go over what you're going to be getting in the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I'll be going over the kit, and later on in the video, we're going to be jumping to my computer, and I'm going to show you the members area and all the good stuff that you get online from the challenge itself. So first things first, the One Funnel Away Challenge kit. What are you actually getting? This is a physical product, okay? And so when you purchase or join the One Funnel Away Challenge and decide to actually get the kit, because you have one of two options to go with when you join the challenge. You can either get just the digital access only, or you can actually get the digital access and the physical kit. So the physical kit actually comes in a box just like this. It says One Funnel Away Challenge on it. It's a big box. It's got some weight to it, all right? And some of the things you're actually gonna find inside once you actually open this kit. First is a welcome letter, all right? All this is a step-by-step mission statement, just telling you how you can earn your $100 back, okay? So when you get that, read that. Second, you're gonna get a little booklet on the 2 Comma Club coaching, if this is something that you actually want to jump into. And all this really is, if you've heard the 2 Comma Club award, those are the people who have made $1 million or more using their funnel. So that's definitely something you want to jump into if you want to kind of, skip some steps and actually learn from some of the pros and the experts on how to fuel your business. All right, now onto the good stuff. All right, so the next thing you're going to see is the official One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. This workbook is going to be your Bible for the next 30 days of actually going through the challenge. You're going to go through it day by day with the training. You're going to fill in the notes and all that good stuff. So let's take a quick peek at some of the things that are actually in here. So we have this right here is mission 1, okay? This is what it looks like, all right? You're going to have your checklist for the day, and then based off of the instruction of the video, you're going to fill in the blanks here and answer some of these questions. And every chapter every day is different, but this is meant to keep you organized and keep you in line and keep you following along with the training properly, okay? Next, what you're going to get is the actual audio version of the One Funnel Away Challenge. All right, you're going to get this MP3 player. What's cool about this thing is it has the audios of all the trainings from the audio trainings from Russell, from Julie, and from Steven. All of it's on here. And all you have to do is you can hit the on button, you can stick your headphones in, and you can listen to this if you happen to be on the go, on an airplane, or in the gym working out, whatever. For whatever reason, if you can't sit in front of your computer and go through the training, you can listen to the audio version as well. And this thing comes off, you can plug it into your computer as well. So therefore you can actually listen to the audios on your computer. So this is a handy thing to have right here. And then the next thing that you're gonna actually see is your 30 days book. Now, this book is like the holy grail of what to do as an entrepreneur, okay? What they have actually done is there's 30 chapters in here of 30 different Two Comma Club award winners. And what it asks is what would you do from day 1 to 30 to save yourself, okay? If you lost everything, if for whatever reason you lost your business and you had to start from scratch, they interview 30 members that are that have won the Two Comma Club award, and they break it down day 1 through 30 on how they would build their business back up if they were to lose it. And what I have a separate video that speaks more on this book and what's in it, and there'll be a card in the corner that'll come out about this book. All right, but this right here alone is worth the challenge, okay? And it's from so many different entrepreneurs, so it doesn't matter what businesses that you have. 9 times out of 10 you'll find somebody in here that you can copy and follow along with them to help to build your business as well. So as you already know, the challenge is $100, okay? And I told you they have 2 options. You have the digital access, and then you have digital access and the physical product itself. So if you just want digital access, what you'll do is you're just gonna pay the $100. You're gonna actually get this workbook in PDF format, so you'll be able to save and print it out and follow along that way as well. But if you actually want the whole kit, then you have to pay $19.95 shipping if you're in the US, and if you're outside the US, then it's $29.95 for shipping, okay? And these are just for shipping costs to send this thing out, because this is a heavy package altogether, okay? So you have to understand there's some shipping fees that need to be covered with it. But either way, whichever one that you choose, it doesn't matter, because you're still gonna get all the training that comes along with the One Funnel Away challenge. You just won't have the kit if you decide not to go ahead and get the kit itself. But I would go ahead and opt in to get the kit. If you're gonna spend the $100, go ahead and spend the shipping to go ahead and get the kit as well, okay? And it ships out pretty quick. You'll have it within a few days before the challenge starts. So what I wanna do is actually move over to my computer screen where I can show you the members area of the challenge, so you have an idea of what it is you're getting into, and also the private Facebook group for the challenge as well. All right, so let's jump over to my computer. All right, so when you go ahead and actually sign up for the challenge, you're gonna get access to the members area. You'll have to create an account that they'll send to your email, and then afterwards you just log in and it'll take you to this screen right here. So the first thing you'll see is basically the welcome video right here. It's just a welcome video from Russell. That's all that is. Just watch that, and then you can actually continue on with the training. Now you see this area that says mission training. We're gonna go ahead and click onto that. All right, so basically these will get unlocked one day at a time. So I've already gone through the entire challenge, but the first thing you'll see is just this one right here. If the challenge hasn't began yet, then you're not gonna have anything here. But as you go through the challenge each day, it'll unlock. So you're gonna go through pre-training. So your first week is actually pre-training. So it's all about building belief and understanding of what you are about to go through. So this is pretty much the format of what each video is going to be. You're gonna have a video up here of Russell going over that training for the day, and then you can actually download the worksheet for that PDF. And remember, if you only have the digital access, then you'll want to go ahead and click this button. If you have the physical copy of the book, then you can actually just use the physical copy of the workbook. All right, but this is the format. You'll have that, and then under it, you'll have a video of Steven. And then, these are other things that you just want to go ahead and click and download or whatnot. Each day will have their own kind of mission notes and stuff like that. So you click those buttons after you watch the video, download and you know, keep that stuff on file. On most days throughout the training, you're gonna have Russell, Steven, and Julie. So you'll have 3 videos. All right. So let's see if we have an actual preview of that right there, so you can actually understand the format that you're going to be getting. All right. So like I said, Russell here, then Julie's video, and then Steven's coaching call video, and then you'll have mission notes and additional resources that you can click on here to download and things like that. All right. So this is the mission area. So all these will unlock after each day. All right. So once that is finished with, let's go ahead and close that up. What you'll also see right here is a bonus. Now these are available once you actually log in. Okay, these will be available. So you get your 30days.com summit interviews, and remember about that 30 days book I told you. This is the digital version of them. Okay, and these are all the entrepreneurs who are 2 Comma Club award winners, and they are interviewed on what they would do from day 1 to 30 to get their business back up and running and profitable again if they had to start from scratch. So each of these entrepreneurs here are in different industries. So you can have a click on one of them and see anyone who, and follow any one of them that aligns best with your actual business. So let's take a look, for example, at, you know, the first one, Trey. Let's see. So basically he'll have his summer interview right here. You can download his 30-day plan, and then this will be a behind the scenes video basically of the funnel that he's used to, you know, make his money in his business. And this is kind of across the board for everyone. So this is an awesome bonus right here. So after you're finished with the actual training, take a look at these summer interviews as well. Okay, this stuff is super valuable. All right, and then below that, you're gonna have affiliate bootcamp access. All right, the affiliate bootcamp is free. This is just a much more direct way to access it. So all you have to do is basically create an account, and this is if you want to become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, basically how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate opportunity as well, and make money from ClickFunnels itself. So this bootcamp teaches you how to do just that. All right, and then if you decide to purchase the upgrade, which I didn't because I didn't really need it, you got the traffic seekers right here. If you didn't purchase it, then you have to click the upgrade. But if you did upgrade, then you have access to traffic seekers right there. All right, and so this is your members area right here once you've actually purchased the challenge, and this is kind of what you'll just go through day by day. All right, and so as an extra, what they also add into the to the One Funnel Away challenge is the Facebook group access. All right, so this particular Facebook group challenge, our challenge group was for September 2nd. All right, this is I went through it a second time, so this was probably this was about a month ago. So basically what you'll find in here is everybody who's also in the same challenge as you will have access to this Facebook group. This is a place where you can mastermind, you know, exchange notes, things like that, talk about what you're doing. And also every day there are specific coaches as well that are in the group that do Facebook Lives going over the training for that day and answering any questions as well. So very, very valuable stuff. This group is just meant to keep you engaged and keep you accountable because it's very easy to lose track, to miss a day, and you know, and this is what this is here for. You know, you don't want to get left behind because you're doing a training every day. So you want to make sure that you take out an hour, maybe an hour or two a day to dedicate to the challenge. So this is just here to help keep you accountable and keep you motivated and going. And so this is where you can definitely network and meet other people who are also in the challenge as well. All right. So that's pretty much what you're going to be getting on the online access of it. And also, if you are if you haven't bought the challenge yet, I also have bonuses that I'm giving out to those who use my link to actually purchase the challenge or jump into the challenge. And I'll leave that link in the description. There'll probably be something that comes across the screen as well for you to check that out. And if you like the bonuses, then you can definitely go ahead and jump into the challenge using my link, and I will give you those bonuses as well. Other than that, if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. If you've taken the challenge, let me know what you thought about it. How many times have you taken the challenge? Because a lot of people take the challenge more than once. I took it more than once. It's a lot of information. And so, you know, but there's nothing wrong with that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this type of content. If there's any other specific things that you would like me to touch on concerning the One Funnel Away Challenge or ClickFunnels, then leave it in the description as well. All right. Other than that, I'm Mike with Brand the Boss. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.